Hi friends, let me show you this new rangefinder that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed for golf playing, even though you can use it for any outdoor sport or activity that you want, okay? You get the actual unit, the carrying case with a new battery that goes here. You can have an extra battery here. This is a rechargeable battery, okay? You put the battery in this compartment, okay? So easy to use. It has also this strap for carrying it so you don't lose it. This is the loop compensator switch. If you don't want to compensate for different heights, or if you want to compensate the distance for different heights, okay? Like in a golf course, okay? It has this fine tuning feature here in the viewfinder, and it has only two buttons, on off and the mode, okay? Because you can change it. You get this carrying case. Easy to put it in your belt or hang it in your golf bag, okay? I'm gonna hang it here. And the nice thing about this rangefinder is that it can help you to understand how far away is your target, the pole in the golf green, in the hole that you're playing. And if you have the compensation on, it will help you to understand if the distance is straight or you have to compensate for different heights, okay? So easy, you just turn it on and you are able to use all the features as distance and height and everything that you can measure with this rangefinder, okay? You change the mode in this button, you turn it on and off, and you change the height compensation feature here.